Tatiana Math Resources, and we're looking at the intersection, the union, and the complement. Our objectives are: one, you're going to be able to list the elements of a given set, find the union of sets, find the intersect of a set, find the complement of a given set, and then find the number of elements in a given set. Our example, here we have the Venn diagram A and B, and we're asked these questions. So list the members of the following. So A equals, what is A? So you're being asked to list the members in A. So this is A. This circle here represents A. And what is in A is 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So that's what I'm going to write here. And I can use the square brackets. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, I'm going to erase that. Next, B. So B. So this is B. This entire circle here, this circle here represents B. And what is in B is 2, 14, 10, and 12. So we come over here, 2, 10, 12, 14. Okay, I'm going to erase that. And we're going to go to 3. A union B. Okay, let me just show it visually first. And that is here. Everything in A and a B. So that would be, use a different color, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 14. So we're going to put that in order. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let me just erase here. Four. Now we're at part 4. A intercept B. A intercept B. Okay, let's erase what we had from the question before. So that represents this little space here. What is common? So that's 10 and 12. 10, 12. Okay, now we come to A complement. So let's erase that. A complement means everything outside of A. So that's everything outside of A. What is outside of A is 2, 14, and 16. 2, 14, and 16. Let's erase what we have there. And we're on to A union B complement. So remember in part 3, we did A union B, which would have been everything in A and B. So it's what is on the outside, the complement. So let's show that visually. So that's everything outside of A union B. And that is 16. Last question. State N open brackets A close brackets. What is that equals to? All that means is we want the number of elements, the number of elements or members in set A. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write 5 is the answer. Notice we don't have any brackets around it because it's not an element. You're asking to state the number of elements in set A. And if we look at what we had written before for the members or elements in A, we had this part 1. If we count, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer, state n open brackets A close brackets, is equals to 5. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We looked at set theory and intersection, union, and complement. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.